work on some quilt squares, and I know I've had a lot of interest in this embroidery needle, or some people call it a punch needle. So I thought I'd show you guys what it is and how to use it, because when I first started I had a lot of issues. So what I found last time, I ended up making a blanket and it turned out great, but I did learn that the fabric that I was using to do my artwork on was very thin, and it caused big holes when I was pushing my needle through, and it made it a little bit harder. So I have a better fabric this time, and what you want to do is make sure that it's on your hoop very tight, and you also want to make sure that the tension for your thread is very loose and free flowing. It's a tongue twister. Okay, so to get started, how I do it, I've already started this strand here, and you can see in the back I have my tails coming through, and this is what your back is going to look like. With the loop size that I have set, I kind of go right with a medium. I just like the way it holds better. So what you do is you punch it through. For your first punch, you flip it over. You can see my needle in there, and what you do is you pull the tail out. You can make them shorter if you want to, just by pulling it back through the other side, through your needle. Flip it back over, and we're going to go around this. I got nice tension, tight tension on my hoop, and I've got some loose tension on my thread, and we're just gonna go in the direction following my lines that I drew on my fabric all the way around. And when I'm done with this, I'm making some flowers to do on a quilt for myself. Actually, I never make myself projects. I thought this time I'd actually sew something for myself. So let's see, we're almost around here. So you can see it goes quick. It goes a lot quicker when I have a nicer quality of a fabric. So I've met the other side, and now once you flip it over, what you can do is you can pull the string back through your needle so that you have a little loop here. Take your scissors. Scissors have dulled quite a bit. Okay, take your scissors. Now I've cut it, and then you just pull it right back out, and you have a nice embroidered look here. You can see some of the other flowers I've been working on that'll go on the blanket. So here's a finished one, a couple of the finished ones that I've done. So once I'm done, I'll have a collection of these squares that I will actually piece them together with a design that I've picked out for a quilt. I'll piece them together, and then I will take them in to my quilt lady, and I will have her quilt the blanket for me, because I just like to do the pieces and the artwork for them all. And then once it's done, it'll be a beautiful lap blanket. So that is how you do it. If you guys have any questions, or if you're having difficulties or coming up with problems with your embroidery pen, send me questions or comment on my post, and I will help you out and let you know, as how a beginner to the embroidery needle, how I figured it out and how things are going much smoother now. Thanks for watching.